John. It is a vicious, evil dog.
Horrible.
Look at it.
You know what? You should kick it like Anchorman over the bridge.
I can't. Try it.
Kick it.
Are you watching it?
I'm watching.
That's how I roll.
Now you have to act like I'm in a class. I'm in cute.
The glass case of emotion.
Would you like to say goodbye?
Goodbye.